What's up, guys? So welcome back to another Greasy Mods videos. We're getting this project that I'm doing right here, insurance claim. Doing fender flares, painted. My boy Luis painted them right now. Getting it prepped up, guys, for this work right here that we're doing. Just stay tuned on it. Process on it. It was worse, man. The hit that it had, it was really big. Well, especially the cabin was bended a little bit. But where he fixed this problem was all smushed in a little bit in there, you know. Fender was bad, it's over there. But we already got everything squared up. Door, we had to get the door because that door was bad. But this part was right here really bad, guys. It was all smushed in, like nothing, like ugly. I put some pictures how it looked. I had to cut a little bit, the welding, you know. But y'all see more process on this, guys. We're gonna paint it inside there, clear everything, get everything prepped up good, cover everything, get it painted. Oh, and the bed too, guys. So right here, guys. So see the process and how it's gonna end up. All right, guys, so y'all want to see the clear? We threw my guy through the clear already. Take a look how it looks. Man, it looks really good, man, to be honest. I'm over here putting all these freaking heaters out of here, man. But man, make sure for sure later on the process I'm gonna have my little booth where I can have them there, guys. Because man, working here with grease and then with paint don't work good, man, because you know perfection is what we need here. You know, perfection talks for us. So man, look at this, guys. Little wet sand and buff, make it real better. The guy over here, we were about to paint the other panel, but we're gonna put it in here like I told y'all in the little garage. But we found a little more problems too that we need to fix, little touch-ups, you know, trying to make everything work good, you know, so customer can be really happy for what we're doing. Oh, I think he painted this panel right here for, you know, where it was, the body work was at. Yes, sir. Too, guys, I'm letting y'all know this is part one for this video. Y'all gonna see the process on this job that we're doing, and you know, hope y'all like and subscribe on this channel. For sure I'll show y'all more content, more quicker every day, guys. So you know, y'all stay tuned on the builds, you know, work, everything. If y'all got any other questions, comment below. Let us know what y'all need. Like, you know, I try the best to show y'all tricks, or you know, see the projects that we do and stuff, and tricks on the mechanic wise stuff. And you know, guys, yes sir,